Hey guys, so me and another crocheter on YouTube, we've decided to do a collab together, but she lives in a different country. So I picked one of her tutorials to do today for you guys and give a review on it. I will link her channel down below as well as in the cards up here. And let's get started. So I am making a little coin purse today, and you make two sides and then you sew them together. And in her video, she does a liner on the inside, but I would like to use this to hold an apple in my diaper bag because I usually carry some fruit in there and it can get bounced around and bruised. So I thought if I put it in this little cushy thing, it might help. So we're gonna make the other square and then I'm gonna sew them together and show you guys how it is and review her tutorial. Alright guys, well here is the finished two squares. Now I did end up modifying the tutorial. She does 11 holes, but I only did 8. When I tried to do 11, it got too bunched up, like it wouldn't lay flat. I think it's because my gauge is really big. And maybe because I used 2 pieces of worsted weight yarn held together. I don't know what kind of yarn she used. And she also did an extra row, so she did 4 rows and I only did 2 because I just wanted to hold an apple. So I'm gonna sew it up together and then I'll talk about the tutorial. One of the things I really liked about the tutorial is she's really good at filming. When she's showing her steps, the camera is really close. You can really see what she's doing. Unlike me, you guys know I really struggle with that because I'm always distracted by my kids. Her instructions are very clear. She has some cool projects, so you guys should go check them out. Besides this one, there's a few other things of hers that I really want to make. And it's nice to support other fellow crafters. There's one thing I've always thought about YouTube is that it's not a competition, guys. A lot of people run their YouTube channel like they're in competition with all the other people that make the same types of videos they do. Like makeup channels, they run their channel like they have the best makeup channel, or other makeup channels just aren't as good. And that was just an example. I wasn't singling out anything in particular, but I've noticed that about some YouTube channels, where I've always thought each YouTube channel just shows a different view of the creative side. So I love my YouTube channel and my crochet tutorials, but I don't think that I have the best YouTube channel by any means, and I'm definitely not in competition with anyone. It's not a competition. We're all in this together and we can all support each other. Phew, this is gonna take a while to sew together. In her tutorial, she added some pretty little tassels to it, but I'm not going to do that either because I'm just going to be done. Here is the finished bag. Like I said, I got it to hold an apple. I may crochet, I think I'm going to do that, some chain stitches. I may chain some stitches and create a closure for the bag. Alright guys, I finished and I made just a little drawstring at the top to hold the apple in. Isn't that cool?
Yeah!
You want to hold the apple?
Cool! Did you make this one for me?
Sure, it's for the diaper bag. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.